we did a whole episode that was about the Guinness Book of World Records and trying to break records on the show. And for anyone who doesn't know, Guinness is very specific and their rules are airtight. And they send someone to adjudicate, and it's very serious. So we were having Buddy the cake boss come, and he was going to frost the most cupcakes in a minute. And the cupcakes needed to be a very specific diameter. And I had told his team over and over again, remember, these cupcakes need to be this size. You guys are bringing the cupcakes. They need to be this size. And they were going to bring like 100 cupcakes or something, like something crazy. So we, had enough. And they got there and those cupcakes were not the right size.
Oh my gosh.
And we didn't have time to make cupcakes. So I had every person that was not working on the show we were taping that morning. I had about half the staff calling bakeries in the area. I had half the staff running around town with rulers and measuring. I said, buy a cupcake, buy a muffin. I don't care what it is. I don't care if it comes frosted. We will take the frosting off, but you have to measure it and make sure it's the size. And meanwhile, they're all doing that. I'm dealing with the Guinness World Records people trying to come up with what other records could he break? Like, can we break a record for how many eggs he can crack in a minute? I can go buy eggs. That's no problem. Can we break a record for how many sprinkles he can fit on the top of a cupcake? Like what can we do? And ultimately we had a very strange array of muffins and cupcakes, and they were all different colors and everything, but they were the right size. We got enough. We broke the record. We did it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.